cuties! I'm call me Black Rainbow and you can call me Black Rainbow. Lately, I saw so many cuties, they share their work on the internet, but they have the problem like this. How can I draw the character skin to be clean or to be beautiful or to be cute like that? Because their drawing just so messy and so dirty. It's so ugly like that because they don't know how to color the character skin. So today I will share with you how to make your character skin to be beautiful, how to draw it, and what the conception and the knowledge of drawing skin. So you have to finish this video so that you can learn this knowledge back. And if it is the first time you watch my video, of course I have to tell you my channel is talking about anime drawing and drawing tutorials. So if you are the person like to draw anime drawing and you want to learn how to draw, you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that you can get a reminder if my new video release, and you can learn the knowledge, conception, the skills, the techniques of drawing. Okay, so let's take a look how to draw the character skin. Okay, now you can see we draw this skin color just like this. We can see we use the yellow color to draw the skin, and the shadow we use the dark yellow to draw just like the skin, but it's not really beautiful, right? And you may notice that a lot of beginners, they will draw skin like this, and some of people will look like this. They are just shocked because it is too ugly. And what is happened? And if we try to use this way to draw Hatsune Miku, it will look like this. Maybe you will think, okay, I don't like her anymore. So today I want to share with you the 3 key points of drawing skin. And because I want to make it simple, so that you will learn it quickly, I will use celluloid style to demonstrate how to color skin. And of course, if you have friends they don't know how to color skin or they still confused how to color skin, of course you can share this video with them so that they will know how to color skin and make skin beautiful. The first, you have to know how to choose the color of skin and shadow. Now you can see the right picture and the left picture are different. And if you choose original skin color, you will notice that the skin colors are different. And you also can try to choose original shadow color. Not too dark, not too light, just middle of the shadow. You will notice that the shadows on the 2 picture face are totally different. And maybe you will ask me like this, oh, but the tone of the 2 pictures are different, so how to know which skin color would be better? Actually in here, there is no right or wrong color or good or bad color. You choose those colors just that you know. If you want to draw the tone of picture like this, maybe you can choose the skin color like this. Because in the different environments or under the different lighting, it will make the different skin color. Okay, in here you can see I demonstrate how to use the different color to draw Hatsune Miku. The right Hatsune Miku, you can feel the skin is so bright and it's just like the white, right? And the left one is like the yellow skin and little dark. And you will notice that if you draw the skin color like this, you have to use the different shadow color. So different skin color make the different feeling from a character. And the second is ruddy skin. You see this picture? This is a photo of a strong light shining on the hands. You may notice that the ruddy color is on the hands because our body is full of blood, and that is why some parts of our body show a lucy color. At those parts, the skin may be thin, so we can see the blood color easily. So let's take those pictures. Now in those two pictures, although the lighting is not strong, you can't see the ruddy color so easily. But maybe you would notice that there is ruddy color in some areas, especially around shadows. And in this picture also, you can see the nose also ruddy, the shoulders, around the shadows. There are so many ruddy areas. So if we try to use these tips on Hatsune Miku, what would happen? Okay, you can see like this. In here you can add ruddy color on the skin, just like a shoulder joint and the shadows and cheek, even the nose and mouth. Those areas we can add ruddy color. And in this picture, also use this way to add ruddy color. But the thing you have to notice is you have used different ruddy colors on different skin color. You cannot use the same ruddy color on any skin color. And the third is highlight. And it is the strong lighting, so you can see the highlights so clearly. If the strong lighting shining on your skin, of course, there are highlights on your skin. And sometimes it will make your skin look like clean, bright, and beautiful. So let's take a look at those pictures. In here, you can see those two pictures. Yes, the highlights is not clearly like the picture before, but in here, you still can get the highlights on the picture. And you will notice that the highlights always on the nose or mouth or chin or eyes or forehead. Usually they are more prominent parts. And it makes us feel the skin is so bright and so clean. So if we know this part, we can use on our painting. So when we draw a character and the lighting is come from here, we can add highlights just like the cheek, the nose, the mouth. So the skin will be looked so bright and beautiful and clean. Okay, so there are the 3 key points of coloring skin. We can try to modify this picture. Wow, oh my god, this is really different. If we don't talk about the clothing difference, we just talk the skin part. I change the skin color brighter and warmer. And the shadow, I also use the warmer color. And add some ruddy color on joint. And like a cheek, nose, mouth. After that, I add the highlight. So you can compare to the right pictures. The color is so yellow and so dark and it's so ugly. Okay, so if we take a look at Hatsune Miku, wow, it's so different. You can see the right Hatsune Miku. It's really weird, right? So if you want to modify or improve this problem, you can try to use the 3 key points to draw your character like the left one. It will make your character skin more beautiful. Okay, congratulations! Now you know how to draw the beautiful skin, right? If you feel this video is really useful for you and you really learned something back and you already tried it, it's really work. Of course, you have to share this video with your friends so that they will know how to color skin so that they can make their character beautiful. Of course, you have to give me a thumb up. And in the future, I will continue to make the videos about the drawing tutorials or anime drawing. So if you like to draw or you want to know about the anime drawing, of course you have to subscribe my channel and open the bell so that if my new video release, you will get a reminder. And if you still have the problem about the anime drawing or drawing tutorials or you want to learn something else about drawing, Please comment below, let me know what the topic, what the things you want me to draw or you want me to make a video to reply to your good question. Just tell me. In the end, let me bring a little color to your life, and I hope you can bring your color to others